Morning, y'all. Alright, we are on the road to Talladega. Yeah, brother just had his coffee, but he ain't kicked in yet. We're over at the hotel about to head over, and thank God it's not like 1,000,000 degrees out here. But it is soupy. It's raining, let me show you. It is soupy out here this morning. But that's all good. I'll take soupy over 1,000 degrees right now. So we gotta be over to check in at like between 8 and 10. They told us to meet over there at 8 o'clock. Gotta make a quick pit stop, get some more gas for the generator. And the actual event starts tomorrow. Just waiting for Mama to come downstairs and we can put this show on the road. One thing that y'all wanna take note, if y'all are food truck operators, new to the game, if you stay overnight at the hotel, you need to make sure you got some extra fuel for your generator, because that bad boy has to run all night long, and you're gonna need to put some in it as soon as you come downstairs in the morning. So that's a pro tip. Coming into the super speedway, get in line with everybody else. Show everybody.
Else.
We are here. All right, we're out here. We made it out to Talladega. We are waiting in line to get in. Let me show y'all. We got a long line of food trucks, food trailers waiting to get checked in. And this is the process that we're having to go through. See the Speedway over here. Little mama down there.
It don't matter. Listen, he had the
We are up in here.
While somebody else was.
This is the process. And there's more trucks behind us.
In the passenger side, they go straight to sleep. Immediately, car crank up.
Yeah.
People in gear good.
Want to do some food trucking? This is one of the things you got to go through. You got to be patient and wait your turn.
Within this family, quickly.
Now might be a real good time to add that if you're the type of person that is always in a hurry, then food trucking might not be for you. It's probably been another 10 minutes since my last clip, and we've been sitting here waiting. You know, it takes time to organize these things, and they had to wait for the gate to get open. So, like I say, just be patient when you're in these type of situations. Plan ahead. Like if you have to use the restroom, make sure you go before you come out here to an event like this, because as you can tell, there's no restrooms readily available, and we couldn't turn around if we wanted to go to the restroom, so we just be out here doing a pee-pee dance. So these are things that you got to think about if you're going to go to a really large event. So like I said, just keep that in mind.
We are out here loading in and sprinkling. Just wanted to give y'all a shot of this. We've already had a bunch went in. But man, we got a line of food trucks all the way back here. They're lined up. It's about to go down in Talladega, y'all. They ain't lying. Like I say, we've already had probably a dozen trucks already went up in there. They're staging us up inside. So yeah, this is about to be a wonderful event. Wonderful, wonderful. The Super Bowl that we have. Foodees. Super Bowl of goddamn food truck events. Y'all don't know nothing about this right here. Y'all better make y'all way out here, baby. This is about to go down.
Going into the tunnel. Woohoo! Somebody's got branding. Great American RV Superstores. This is the tunnel they said we can't get through. The other one we won't be able to get through. It's taking you under the track onto the other side. Welcome to Talladega Super Speedway! Woohoo! Geico's got a lot of branding out here. You can camp inside. That's deep. There's the track. Oh, you can't see it. There's the track. It's in how it leads this way.
Get out there with the trailer. Do some laps.
All right. You didn't think it would lean.
That's the great food truck race right there.
Right. Right. You didn't think the track leans, but let me show you. Track leans. You see it? It's leaning. Like, so it's sideways. We're straight and it's leaning. Or tilted, whatever you want, however you want to put it. See the stands. This is why they only take so many at a time.
So we all coming in now.
Mm-hmm.
We had to get the paperwork straight, I guess.
Ambulams are over there. Ambulance is only medical tent. Emergency medicine.
Take a picture of that. This is Talladega.
When you come back out, you can do that. Yep, they're all falling in now. See the rest of the food trucks over there coming in. There's a big food truck parade. This is the inner track. How long do you want to do this?
Do your part.
Okay. Yeah. Where's your? Oh, they even got a little playground. That's so cute. A little playground. Trying to use Bixby. I'm trying to. Oh, there we go. There we go. Now we're good. Now,
Okay, a lot of our other footage is on our Facebook Live, but I wanted to do a food review on this absolutely amazing burger before I ended this video.
Alright, what's up, y'all? Alright, my boy over here at Kai's Steak Burgers just hooked the brother up with one of these delicious looking steak burgers. Hold up, let me flip the camera. Look at this here. Man, this bad boy got the onions, the pickles, barbecue sauce, made from steak. He said he grinds his steak himself. It'll be alright in a minute. I was just looking at this mug. And we about to do a review on my boy. Now I'm gonna tell you, full disclosure, I had a regular burger the other day and it was banging. And he said, let me do you one up like I do mine. So, oh, it's a double meat too. Check that out. Woo! My boy cutting up. Alright, here we go. We're going in. Alright. Yup. Yeah, that's off the chain. Tender. Bacon ain't all jacked up. It's perfectly grilled. That's delicious. My man got out. Mama said I gotta give it a scale of 1 to 10. I'm gonna give that one a 10. That's off chain. That's off chain. So, y'all go check out my boy. Kai's Steak Burgers.
What man?
That's my man right there. Alright?